December 15th, 2018, and hope all of you are having a great day. So today is going to be an awesome day, and it's a day that me and my girlfriend Steph have been waiting for a long time now. So me and Steph right now, we're heading to the bank. The BRZ is completely filthy right now. I'll get a car wash later today as well, but today is a special video. So today, me and my girlfriend Steph are moving into our new place in the Chicago area right now. Heading to the bank right now to get 2 cashier's checks. Then we're picking up the U-Haul to get all of our furniture, and we'll bring it to our new place. We're heading to the bank. The car is all warmed up, and today's gonna be an awesome video. I'll take you guys with me through our day today, through the moving process, and I have a lot of big things coming for this car, which I'll reveal to you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for the support, and let's get going. So we'll start this video off with a quick acceleration. Alright guys, we just got to the bank. Today's gonna be a long day, but once we get to our new condo, it's completely empty, so we do have to move everything in. But we'll do a whole house tour, and I'll show you guys the garage and everything. And like I said, I'll talk about the BRZ, what my plan is for what's going on for this upcoming show season, and we'll go from there. So we're at PNC right now. We're picking up a cashier's check for our security deposit, and let's do it. So we just left the bank just now, got the cashier's checks, and we're gonna have to pick up the U-Haul very soon, and we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we just picked up the U-Haul. We have a 15-foot U-Haul here, putting all this furniture in here. Alright, so we have the U-Haul now. We're gonna pick up everything we need to. Alright guys, so we're in the U-Haul. We have a 15-foot right now. So we're heading to pick up our couch, all of our furniture, and after that we'll head to our new place. And I don't know, today's a big day. It's not really too much of a car video. I mean, you'll get a full tour of me and Steph's new place, my new garage. It's a nice community we'll live in. And since this is a big moment in me and Steph's life, I wanted to share this with all of you guys. And going to this place is going to open a lot of opportunities for myself. Because being at Steph's house, it was nice for her mom to let me stay at their house for the last 2 months. But living there, it's hard for me to make content because I don't have my own room. Knowing that I have an office now, my own space where I can film, and having my own garage, my own space to make videos, do installs and everything, is going to be great, not just for myself, but for the channel. And I can't wait to share that with all of you. So we're heading out right now. We'll be packing a lot of stuff into this truck. I'll do updates throughout the day because this is going to be an all-day thing, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so this is the U-Haul right here, 15-foot truck, and getting inside here. So this should be perfect for what we have. We have a big couch we're putting in here, tables, pretty much everything you can furnish a place with. All the little things will go in my BRZ and Steph's Mazda, and yeah, everything should be good.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, first update right now. We have the U-Haul truck here with about half of our furniture. We have the couches, coffee table, dresser. Still have to pick up the kitchen table and a bunch of other things. Going well so far, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's been a couple hours since I last took out the camera. Here's my garage opener. And here's my garage. And this is my garage for my new place. So the BRZ will be parked right here. We're gonna put all of our stuff into our place right now, and I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, we're in the process of moving everything in right now. We'll give a quick look, we'll do a tour in a little bit. So we got our table here, has the granite there. We have one of our balconies out here, and we have one in our bedroom too. Completely empty, fireplace, the couches. We're moving everything from the U-Haul truck right now. And I'll show you guys where my garage is too outside. It's getting completely dark. Bathroom, empty room right now. Another balcony out there. And the walk-in closet, which I'll do a full walk around once we're completely moved in. but we're gonna move everything else right now and let's get going. So we're almost done. We have the big couch, which is gonna suck, our dresser here, and that love seat right there, and everything else in our cars, and then we'll be all set. Alright guys, we moved everything in. We have to move everything into our new condo. And this is the first time I'm parking in my new garage. First time parking my new garage. This is the BRZ's new home in here. Guys, so we're in my new garage at my condo. Me and Steph just moved in. And this is awesome. First time bringing the BRZ in here. And so what we have, I'll show you how it looks like. So we have this spot where my BRZ is and the spot next to it, which is really nice. And they're putting some shelves up here, which is nice too. And how they do it here is we share the garage with a couple other cars. So there's 3 spots here and 2 spots here. And there happens to be an STI in the garage as well. And I just saw this just now. So my neighbor owns this STI and it has its winter tires and wheels on it too. And it looks nice. A lot of condos didn't really have individual garages like this. I mean, it would be nice if there was a wall right here, but it's really not bad at all. So put Steph's car there, BRZ right here, and we're all set. So we're gonna head back inside the condo right now. We'll do a full walk around. Like I said, we just moved in. Nothing is in its place yet, but I'll do a quick walk around of our new place. So like I said, this is a big step for me and Steph. We have our place out here in Chicago, and we also have that house in Florida, which is awesome. I'm actually going to the house in Florida for Christmas, and I might make a video out there. Hey everyone, so it's the next morning right now, and I want to show you guys what my place looks like with the sunlight and my garage during the daytime. I know it was completely dark last night. It was hard to see, but really quick, we'll do a quick walk around.
Whoa.
Kitchen right here. Like I said, we're still decorating, getting more furniture. We just moved in yesterday. It takes a while to move in, but we'll slowly do it. Mirror there, fireplace, which is really nice. Put something on top. This is our temporary TV. It's a 42-inch. We'll be getting a 60-inch really soon. Coffee table. These leather couches are really nice. Our big couch here. And out this way, like I showed you guys yesterday, we have our first balcony, which is pretty big if you see that over there. And we have our second balcony actually in the master bedroom. Alright, so we'll go over here. And we're gonna decorate the place, put pictures up, make it look more homey, make it look more modern. So here's the front door here. The bathroom, very simple, color coordinated, all the stuff here, black and gray, everything's looking good. Alright guys, so over here is our bedroom. This bed actually got delivered today. It was $2,000, which is insane, but it is honestly the best bed I've ever had. And coming over here, we have our second balcony that's out of our bedroom, which is really nice. And over to the closet, which is one of my favorite parts of this place. Massive closet. And we can't even fit all of our clothes in it. It's hard to tell, but it goes all the way back here. Give you an idea. And I have some storage over here. I have my camera stuff in here, a couple up here, my watches. So like I said yesterday, I know this isn't a car video, but this is a big part of my life right now, and I really want to share this with all of you. And it does relate to cars in a way, because me having this space now, I can make videos all the time. Because like I told you guys, I was living at my girlfriend's mom's house for the last 2 months now, and being there I wasn't able to film as much. I didn't have my own garage space and everything, but now that I have my own place here, I have the garage outside, which I'll show you guys in a minute, make it a lot easier for me to make content. And I'm excited to share all this with all of you. See, what I like about our condo here, the ceilings are so high right when you walk in, and there's only 4 different condos in this thing, which is really nice. Alright, so we'll head to my garage right now. Since it is daytime, we have a better idea of what it looks like. Our community here is really nice. The buildings are beautiful, and my garage is right down here. Alright guys, walking up to my garage. This is the first time me seeing this during the day too, actually going in. First cold start in my new garage. Alright guys, so I'm ending this video right here. So I know this video was different than any other video I ever made, but this channel is to document my life, anything big happens, and any car stuff in it. I know this wasn't a car video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new condo, and please leave a comment down below if you guys want me to make a vlog when I go to my Florida house for Christmas. And having this new condo with the garage is going to open a lot of opportunities for myself to finally make videos consistently and modify my car in the garage, and I'm really excited for this. Remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.